Here's how to add PEAQ network to MetaMask in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide so you can connect to the PEAQ network quickly and start using it without confusion. Start by opening your MetaMask wallet on your browser. At the top of the screen, you will see the current network you're connected to. Click on that drop-down because this is where you can switch or add new networks. From here, you have 2 simple ways to add PEAQ and you can choose whichever feels easier. The fastest way is by using Chainlist. Go to the Chainlist website and connect your MetaMask wallet when prompted. Once connected, use the search bar and type in PEAQ. When it appears, click the button to add it to MetaMask. A request will pop up in your wallet and all you need to do is approve it. After confirming, the network is added automatically and you can switch to it right away. If you prefer to do it manually, go back to MetaMask and open the network drop-down again. This time, select the option to add a new network, then choose to enter the details yourself. You will need to fill in a few fields. For the network name, type PEAQ or any name you prefer. For the RPC link, enter the official address used to connect to the network. Then input the chain ID, which is 3338, and the symbol PEAQ for the currency. Once everything is entered correctly, click Save. After saving, MetaMask will switch to the new network or give you the option to do so. You will now be connected to PEAQ and ready to use it. If it does not switch automatically, simply open the drop-down again and select it from your list of networks. At this point, you can start interacting with apps or sending transactions on the network. If something does not work, double-check the details you entered, especially the RPC link and chain ID, since even a small mistake can prevent the connection from working properly. By following these steps, you can add the PEAQ network in just a few minutes and move between networks inside MetaMask without any hassle.